guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about something way different from what we usually talk about on my channel. It's not a tutorial, it's going to be an unboxing video from Hobiumyarns. So finally a yarn company has believed in my craft and has sent me some yarns that they would like me to try out with my projects to see how the yarn really works. So thank you so much Hobiumyarns for believing in my craft, and thank you for the free packages that you have sent me. This is a company from Istanbul, Turkey, and they sent me some of their yarns to try out and give feedback about some of their yarn brands. So in this video I'm going to be giving you all the details that you need to know about the yarns that they sent me to try out. So the most amazing thing about this shipment was the fact that it was shipped to me on Saturday, and I got a notification on Monday morning that it was in my city, which was Kampala. So it took 2 days to get to Kampala, and I received a message from DHL that the package was in Kampala and it was ready to be delivered, and they will decide for me what day to deliver it to me. So that day was yesterday, which was Wednesday 13th January. That's when I got my very first yarn shipment through DHL. So thank you so much Hobiumyarns for sending me this amazing package, because the yarns are really beautiful. So let's begin unboxing. So the first thing that I saw from the box were these two. They included for me 2 bags from Hobiumyarns, of course. They sent me these, and at the back they have all you need is love. So if we could change knit to crochet, that would be awesome. So but knit is okay. So hashtag love Hobium, which is really cool. I really love these bags. I think I'm going to keep them for myself since they only sent 2 of them, and I really love dogs, which is a bonus for me. So they sent me 2 of these, and these are the ones that were covering the yarn in the box. So this was the first thing that I saw, and this wasn't included in my shipment on my order, so this was really cool. So from this, the next thing that was in there was yarn, and for the yarn I got this. It's called Himalaya super soft yarn. It's really soft. I think this would really work well with baby projects, blankets, shawls, or anything like that, and I really love it. It's 200 grams to 328 meters, and it recommends let me see the hook it recommends. The crochet hook is not included, but I would use a 5 or 4 millimeter for this yarn. But the knitting needles are, the details are here. It's a medium weight yarn, which is a weight 4, and they sent me 2 of these, and these will be perfect for whatever project I'll decide to use them for. And let's go on to our next yarn. So they sent me this, which is Lamaya. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's 100% acrylic, and I had never seen any yarn like this, because I'm already working on a project. This is Thursday, you guys. Like, I received this on Wednesday evening at 6, and on Thursday, this is Thursday around midday, and I've already started working on some projects using the yarn. I had never seen yarn that looks like this. but it's really cool because I'm trying out a project with it and it really looks amazing, and it's a bit stiff, which I like for things that you want to be on the skin itself, and it has really turned out good. And I'll be sharing some of these tutorials with you guys as I work with the yarn. And right now for this yarn I'm using a 3.75 millimeter, and I'm really loving the outcome of this yarn. So this is one of the yarns that they sent me. This is the second type, and that came in a pack of 6. And then the next yarn they sent me was this, which was it's called Gazelle Knitting Club. It's 100% mercerized cotton yarn. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I'll definitely figure it out. It's really thin, but I like it. I'll figure out what to use it for. And for the hook, it recommends 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter crochet hooks. So this will definitely make those small projects like tops or something like that, or bikinis. This would be really nice. It's cotton yarn, and I really love the way it's a bit silky. And this comes in a pack of 10. I think the 10th fell in the box. Yeah, here it is. Came in a pack of 10, and it's called Giza, and it's cotton yarn, yeah, and I really love it. Can't wait to work with this. This will be my very first time using this. So the next yarn that I received was La Maya, same brand as the other one, but this time this was a bit different. It's cotton, and it's not the same as this that I showed you before. Remember, this was like this. It has some thickness to it, but this doesn't, and it's cotton yarn. They sent me this, which is in the middle of orange and red, and I really love it. I'll be making some good projects with this yarn. It's 100% cotton, and it comes in a pack of 5. And then the next thing that was in the box was the same brand as the one before, which was this, but this time they gave me, it's almost like neon green, and it also comes in a pack of 5. So they gave me 2 of these. And then the next thing was this, I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is the name of the yarn. It's cotton yarn 2, and so I think most of the yarn they sent me was more of cotton. I have only one acrylic, which was the purple, and all the rest is cotton. Then this, let me see, this was also 100% acrylic, but all the rest were cotton. And this is also some cotton yarn. You can see I've already used it. This is my very first day with this package, but I've already, like, I was so excited to use this yarn because I had seen it somewhere and I really loved it. So the moment I got this package, this was the first yarn that I unboxed, and I went for it. And I would like to show you a project that I'm currently working on with this yarn. And you know I really love cover-ups, so I'm making a cover-up beach dress using this yarn, and it's really soft and flowy. It's not stiff at all. You can see this. And this is the project that I'm trying to work on. You can see I've already, like, gone all the way. I've already used like 2 balls of this yarn on this project, and I believe I'm going to be using about 2 to 3 balls because I don't want to finish up the yarn on just one project. But I really love the feel of this cotton yarn, and I'm definitely buying some more colors with this particular yarn because at least I've tried it and I've gotten the feel of what it's like to work with it. And I would like to see some more colors like white, like yellow, like burgundy, and all my favorite colors. So Hobiumyarns, this is a thumbs up for you guys. This is very, very good yarn. So the next thing that I'm working on, this is definitely going to be a tutorial for you guys the moment I finish it up, so stay tuned. Then that was it for the yarn. So we had this, we had these, we had 2 of these, we had 6 of these, 6 balls of this, we had 5 of these, we had 5 of these, and then lastly we had 10 of these. So this was my package. And so the next thing was the extras that came with the yarn. I already told you I got 2 paper bags for my packagings, but I'll be keeping them for personal reasons. Then the next thing I received in the package was this 3mm crochet hook, and I can see the label of the hook matches with the label of my favorite yarn in the box. So I don't know if it's my favorite, but at least it's my favorite because I've worked with it. So this is the same exact brand, but this I received for free also because I didn't pay for it and I didn't order for it. I just got it for free, and I thank you so much for this. I'll try to use it and I see how it works. And then I got a free pencil from these guys. They sent me maybe to make some notes with their pencil. Hobium, thank you so much. I didn't also order for this. This was just the extra things in the box. I also got a sticker for this, and I think I'll stick it on my work laptop because I usually use that to edit a bit. But if I don't, then I'll have it on my work desk so that I always remember that Hobiumyarns was that one company that first sent me a package for free to try out their stuff, and they believed in my craft and they sent me a package to explore with their yarn. So thank you so much. And last but not least, the last thing I got at the base of the box were these small cute labels from Hobium. Handmade with love, Hobium. And then there is this, and then there is this. So that was the end of my unboxing video because this package came as a shock to me because it arrived in the time that I didn't expect it to arrive. I thought it would take so long and all that, but I really love the fact that it was fast. So I'll definitely ship in some yarns from Hobium, and I can't wait to give you guys some tutorials from this yarn. Thank you so much, Hobiumyarns, for this package. And if you would like to try out some of these yarns, I'll be dropping links in the description box of all the materials that I've sent you, the yarns, the hook, and all the details, so that you can click on those links and go and try to purchase those yarns. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video when we are trying out the next one of the projects with these yarns. So thank you so much.